welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be probably doing the last summer collection for the year. Like, I've been working with a lot of bright colors for the last couple of weeks and doing the summer thing, summer vibes, but we gotta get ready for the fall. It will be here before we know it. So I feel like I have another collection that is not like spring or summer. You can wear it anytime and coming, but I think this one is going to be the last like really bright collection. So I cannot wait to show you how it really turns out. So let's get into it. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been a part of the Oh So Pretty squad, I'm so glad that you're back. If you want to join the squad, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and you are in. On this channel, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my handmade accessories business, as well as give you helpful tips and helpful information for running a small handmade or product-based business. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's create something oh so pretty. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to be starting off by making a cane, and I'm just winging it. I really didn't know exactly what I was going to do when I started out to make this collection. I knew the colors that I wanted to do, but I just really did not know like how it's all going to work out. Now, it worked out very beautifully. I mean, I love the end result, but I just didn't have no type of like idea how it would turn out. So in this video, honestly, because all of the concepts that I'm doing, it's nothing super new, so we're just gonna watch it, and you're honestly just gonna watch me create these amazing earrings today. So I'm gonna put on some music and we're just gonna have a good time and watch this whole thing come together. guys, I love this collection. They are so stinking cute, so bright. They give me the, like, I don't even know what these colors give me, but they give me like, I can't even describe it. They give me like party, festival, just like, I really, and actually, if you guys notice, this is actually the same color scheme that I use for the Old Joys. So the pink Old Joys, they have like the bright green, the blue, the like chartreuse, the blue and the pink, and so this is the same like color scheme. I've been on this for a little while, but I just love how they turned out, and I can't wait for you guys to get them and rock them. As you know, I only do small batches, so once they go up, you better grab you some, because they will be gone and they will never come back. I always want to remind you guys of that, because people will send me messages sometimes, they're like, how can I get your earrings? Well, let me tell you, I like to make one-of-a-kind statement unique earrings for my oh so pretty squad. And with that being said, I don't typically make a lot of doubles and things of that nature. They're all going to be very different. Even if you get the Old Joys, even if you get the Old Joys from my website, they're all custom, so they're all going to look a little bit different. So yes, they're kind of the same concept, but no two people are going to have the same exact earrings. They're all going to be slightly different shapes that are dangling from the bottom and all of those things. So you never will see two pair of the same earrings from me ever. So when I post things to my website or on social media, if they're sold out, they're sold out. So I just want to make sure I hit that little disclaimer in there, so you know that you better get them while they are there and available. But until next time, I'll see you next week. And make sure, if this is the last episode of the this is the last show for today for TGIW. And so if you haven't had the opportunity to watch the previous shows, or you don't even know what I'm talking about, check out the description. It'll let you know all about it. And if you're ever wondering where I get my tools, my equipment, some of the products that you see me use on this video, I have a link in my description, which has my whole Amazon list, so you can find some of the amazing tools that I use. Until next time,